Today we are going to see how to use right, left, and mid functions in Excel. These are very useful to get information when we have blend information. So the first one will be the country code. So we are going to use right. Select the cells and the first two characters. We can use it for all of the data. Now we're going to use the function mid to get the product type. In this case, electronic or whatever you have. You're going to start in the first character and going to get 2 or 3 characters. Let's see how it works. In this case are 3 characters. Electronics, and you click here and you get all the product types. The year, we are going to use at the same time mid. Select the cell and we are going to use start in the 8 character with 4 numbers. There you have it. This is another way to fill the data. I'm going to do it again. This is one of my favorite. You just go to the down, Control Shift, add arrow, and Alt H, fill to the down. It's very easy to use. Now we are going to use right. Select the text and the number of sharps. In this case is 4. The final ID. That is, you see, in this case is 9845 in this case for this item. And if we want to know the number of characters of the text, we can use the function length. I really like this function because it helps you to count very quickly. And you use autofill. You can press Ctrl Shift L like this, Ctrl plus Shift plus L to get filters very quickly. And let's check the data. So we have items from 2022 to 2025, and that's easy.